Hey there, welcome back. As your organization expands and projects become more complex, you might face challenges like aligning multiple teams, streamlining the flow of information, and feeling like managing documentation is more of a burden than a benefit. These issues can pull you away from your main focus of delivering value quickly. That's why the second value of the Agile Manifesto, working software over comprehensive documentation, is so important. It's all about prioritizing functional work that can be tested and delivered rather than getting bogged down with excessive paperwork. Documentation is important, but it should support your workflow, not slow it down. Brian Stallings, our chief evangelist here at Lucid, puts it perfectly. He said, "This doesn't mean no documentation. Instead, documentation should help us get to working software and be useful to those who need it." In this course, we'll tackle these challenges head-on and show you how to use the Lucid Visual Collaboration Suite to visualize projects and tasks for better team alignment, plan effectively to keep your goals in sight, and adapt flexibly as your projects evolve. Ready to elevate your approach and deliver value faster? Grab your team space template from the previous course, and let's dive into optimizing your workflow together.